Alright, so in this video, it's gonna be part 5. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go over making the inside, right, and inside here. Okay, so I'll go ahead and do that. First, I'm gonna hide the top lid. So I select it, press H as in Henry. Wait, H as in Henry. Good. Okay, always be mindful where you are in the 3D world. And after that, I need to mention about merging vertices. So for example, you see if I select that, now see what it's doing? What this is that when I combine the object, right? Before in a couple of videos before, it did not merge these sections because they were halved. Remember, they were halved, one part and another part. So they combined it, but it did not merge these points. So that's what that is. And if I press 3, well, it's okay if I press 3, but what I need to do is I also want to show where I'm going to press 4. I'm going to select this. Now actually this should just say 1, but you'll notice here it says 2 verts. 2, because there's 2. So this is how you also troubleshoot. Because if I grab this one, it says 1. If I grab 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, it says 5. Whereas like I said before, that's 2. So all of these over here down the seam line needs to be merged. So I'm just gonna go like that. Remember, it's 4 for wireframe, 5 for shaded. So I only selected what I need. I'm gonna go hold Shift, right mouse button, right? Shift, right mouse button, merge vertices. So it's gonna do that. It's gonna open up another sub menu. Right, I'm gonna go back to this little dot over here. That dot. This is to go back to my base level menu set. I'm gonna go boom. See? And now there's gonna be merge vertices, that guy right there. But I want us to go into the option box. Okay. And I'm still holding my shift and my right mouse button. Option box. Naturally, it's gonna be this. But what I want to do is set to 0.0001. 0.001. Basically, it's to avoid if the vertices are too close, it's gonna avoid merging them. So this is at the very micro level. If they're super close, then it's gonna merge it. That's basically what it means. If you set it to 1, right, that means 1 unit. If they're anywhere near 1 unit, it's gonna merge at 1 unit, which is too close. So I'm just gonna go, like I said, 0.001. Okay, and I'm gonna you see here this says 24, right? 24. It's gonna be half of that now. So I'm gonna apply. This will apply the setting. Right, good. See, 12. Now it's merged. Now if I select it, it's only 1. Right? So make sure you have this. Right. Okay, so we did that. Now we're good to go. Next thing is okay, and you see right here, it shows us that. So it shows that we're merged. The vertices has been merged. Okay, if I double check, right, right? Alright, so I need to be in object mode. Which how I did it was when I was like this, right click, hold, object mode. You have to be in object mode. So now I have to go into mesh, fill, hold, boom. Right? I clicked out, and then I'm touching again. Now I need to turn on symmetry, meaning in here, object X, symmetry. This is just temporarily, I'm using the symmetry tool, right? Because I need to make a cut line across, and I want to mirror. This symmetry is different from the duplicate special. This one, if you're using it for short term, like a little bit here, a little bit there, it's fine, because you have to turn it on and off. But for long-term use, I don't trust it. So that's why I'm just explaining myself right now. So shift, right click, multi-cut, right? I'm in object mode and I'm choosing multi-cut, right? I'm gonna just click and drag, right? When you click, do not let go. Click, like on this edge, snap. Turn the camera a bit, because this tool is fickle. Depending on the camera angle, it may or may not give you a hard time. So I'm just trying to get a clean line of sight. Click, drag, let go, press W to get out of the tool. Now I'm going to choose symmetry on the Z, because if I try to do still on the X, watch what happens. So don't do this. I need to hover over the object to get my multi-cut tool sometimes, right? So if I try to say click here, right, and I go across, see, look what it's doing. Or like that, I can't go across. See, because if I try again, watch, and I try to cut here, see, gives you an error. I can't go across because it's trying to mirror right now, which is really annoying. So yeah, okay, that's the reason why I'm going to go here under object X. Let's try object, I think it's Y, not Z. Right, let me try object Y. Shift, right click on top of my object, multi-cut. I wonder if this will work. I mean, now I can go across. Yeah, you know what, just turn it off. Shift, right click, multi-cut. I'm going to manually cut across. Right. I'm going to press G as in George. Right, G as in George. Oh. G as in George should do the repeat the last command, but ignore that, never mind. Shift, right click, multi-cut, right? I'm gonna just cut across. That's it. I'm gonna do it again. I put one there, I'm gonna cut across, right? Going across. I'm gonna click here, and then snap. And hit enter. Okay? So I need to press W to get out of the tool. The reason why I did this is that in the world of modeling, this is called setting up your footprint, right? Your foundational line, because you're going to select it, and I'm going to extrude down. Because if I try to pull down, look what happens if I try to pull it down. Very bad. So I have to extrude it down. Shift, right click, extrude face, right? And I'm going to just sorry about that. In this tool, I'm gonna use my gizmo, pull it down. Okay, you can pull up, or you can also pull down. But when you pull, only grab this, the up and down arrow. Don't grab any of this other stuff, it will wreck your model, do things that it shouldn't. I'm gonna spacebar into my front view, right? Orthographic front, zooming in a bit, super close. Damn. See this? I'm just gonna align it. Just, you know, like that. It doesn't have to be, but it doesn't hurt either because it looks clean. And then just click outside. Make sure to click outside. Super important to click outside. Ooh, what the hell? Oh, hey, what the hell is this? Maybe I went, what the? Oh, right, I went too far down, I think. No, this should be fine. What? Hold on. Let me just look inside. I'm looking inside. Alright, let me just click on this. I'm going object mode. Right, and I want my tool back. Right, so I'm going to click on this. Right, that guy right there. Brought my tool back, long as I'm in object mode. Okay, I'm pulling up my arrow carefully. Right, beware of these other little gizmos. Is that a... Interesting. Where did this come from? Alright. Okay, so I'm just gonna pull it up to right around here. Zoom in, zoom in. So I guess right around here. That... Yeah. Wait. Right around here. Yeah, now we're okay. That was weird. Okay, so we did that. So we're good to go. I think that's about it. I'm gonna bring back my other one, that top lid. Press H. Okay. Select it, press E as in Edward. Just gonna rotate it a bit. Right, so far so good. That's where we're at. I'm gonna have to fix this up as well. Okay, undo. Yeah, so I'm gonna leave it like that. In the next video, I'm gonna go for the top lid. So, okay, bye.